Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dual apps on Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Dual Messenger. You might see a few suggestions pop up, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or hotspot options, but we're going to focus on Dual Messenger. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says Dual Messenger. Once you're inside, you'll need to tap the option again to confirm that you want to enter the Dual Messenger settings. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see a list of compatible apps that support Dual Messenger. Apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, and more. To enable dual apps for any of them, tap the toggle switch next to the app you want to duplicate. Then confirm by tapping Install when prompted. Your phone will now install a second copy of that app, ready to be set up with a different account. Perfect for keeping your personal and work lives separate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.